Hello from Seoul. I have a big announcement for you. How big? Pretty huge, right? Today, I'm finally sharing something I've been secretly working on. My new cookbook, Beyond Korean, is officially out. My first cookbook, Simply Korean, got so much love. Seriously, thank you so much for all the love and support. But since that book focused only on traditional Korean food, some of you wanted more variety, like Japanese, Chinese, and even Korean fusion dishes from our YouTube channel. So for those of you, I brought this, Beyond Korean. Trust me, with this one book, you can cook 100 East Asian dishes like a pro, and your weeknight dinner worries will be gone. I guarantee. Claire and I put everything we had into this book, and we really think you're gonna love it so much. So go to the link in my description and pre-order it now. Don't worry about it. As always, you won't regret it.